Alright, we see the Makaba at the back of my network. So, a tea at the Jesu and was so for down quiet. Now, in your transit, let him say, I Bible Digest Jumed, assign and Drusubium into Yadeba Abbatuao. Say, Ote will come one parcel or a Juma or hall, or maybe I will be a smartphone and our computer. No, who beats me any not just I was also waiting me. I should be Western Eddie Fremo. It says the Bible Digest, dear, and when here, you be a children, seven excellent to the moon, excellent last year, and my what tears you who need here, and never this also about 2 million. Nothing so, your best say, when you subscribe, you want a woman, subscribe to your channel, if I may want it. Subscribe, you and your notification bell, nothing, and about a baby, and a baby video, was some kind of waiting me, Ashay, I share, or share the many Paduna Saka, now almost so at me, Ashay program. Na omanya ahia de film e bia na sa program is krampo e be ma okra bi enya enkwaje e dia ma enkwa ana ne ho afi so like na comment ne kire wadwe o question bia o topic bi so o pese you discuss here o betimi the comment section ho se kire so bugo so a bugo se program ne ko so telephone number bi e twam wase o fa na frey ye beje so kama na enkomo bia e wo ho no na ya twetwe afi so o adeton bi now, per se, your poor who at the mouth, advert, and we get me after telephone number. Yanya body could have formed the not to say, you know, at me, and so I was our kind of so. Then, Yame, I at home, you were so for you, away in 10 hour hand, and I in Jaya, you know, about the said tomorrow. Now, as some teacher and tassel, I have been discussing, you have been bobo, Naya digest, I say, susu ampase ojidini ana okristoni yebetimi atwaboja gone na yase se omena bedi ehene ana omeye ohene can a believer or a Christian, a true believer and a pure Christian be appointed or be installed as a king or a chief? This is the topic that we are going to discuss today. And if you just join us, here is Edivimai TV or Edivimai Network. We are more than TV. Yeah. So you can just join us. We are now starting the program. So you can join us and send in your comments and your views on the topic that we are going to discuss. And if you have any question, you can pick up the telephone number or take the telephone number and give us a call and we'll respond to you and discuss whatever we have to discuss with you. Keep on watching Edivimai Network because we are more than TV. I have with me here in the studio on my immediate right, Pastor Godfred Donko. Pastor, will you say hi to my lovely viewers out there? Yeah. And on my extremely right, I have with me Pastor Emmanuel Agbeli. Sofo. Apomai. Viewers in family. Yes. And then I'm young to my software, you know, about the teacher, any. It's your best, many you are feeling if you are. She need a man in see a summer, a cheap, a bit of margin. So, we are Gideon and now we are Christian, you want to make or Henry. Now, Henry as really wow, you Gideon and Christian, or Henry be up with the what, betting aqua heavy. Now, no, and I ever be a home couple. Software. I saw at the same if you so I saw for them as soon as they win young because I saw for you I watch it in country or you don't broke didn't complain. Also, you come back to Bromisa because church member maybe about 20 for the Bushia. If you have a call, so for I believe a few years or so because I have a good Asian and all right, and you play you run the frame and answer the mobile and everybody. Mammy and Shasia, if you suffer, I will suffer. A year, say of Christian and Mappa, I want you that they did not join the national Christus soon. Say, we are new with it, but another second year, a trouble you to the national, a national council. Can that be possible? Can it be possible in that way?
Yes, some of them send this di kai echia ahwefo se nyame onye omukesi se omu eyede dedi amunya adagye enya bere ehwe na program we de nyama papa ebe ba omu akwan mu omu koso no subscribe na omu mia notification bell na omu be kabushia mo na nyina ya suade na eja ansa America aka se ani ana debi no ipese yehu bi kitwa bi on my bebre fiti Genesis eba nyina no on my bebre ho a omu ye de omu wa ahemfo bana Israel a aye onyankopon man no omu ni ohini a edi wo so na onyankopon na ye ohini na wodi Israel fo so Egypt for ahemfo omu ohini a odi wo so Malachi Amalekite for ewo ohini a edi wo so ewo Hittite for a omu ohini a edi wo so ewo ekro bebre ana mind bebre a omu ye de omu ahemfo ena sa mind na so omu sumo onyankopon ti asefo omu other gods a omu sumo amen omu other gods a omu sumo but from Genesis up to 1 Samuel chapter 8 the whole ena Israel forces so ebisa ohini na Bible say ebra omu bisa ohini no na e displace Samuel a oye odifo a saa bere no o hye nkom ewo Israel memo oye odifo kese enti ebra omu bisa saa bere no di Israel for nani odi Israel for nani omu ekọ Awurade enim ebisa ohini a eye onyankopon se bibi ba besi ana se Israel for hia bibi a okọ nyame enim ekọ bisa onyankopon ama onyankopon de moye no emma Samuel basa da no emma eye Samuel no wa se enti ohini na wotumi gi mu afri Misrim asase so abedu pempensu mu refi sa onyankopon no sa ohini na adi mu so a musa epe ohini a sa nipa eye nipa a obedi mu so it display Samuel enti Samuel esa ekọ onyame enim no obisa onyankopon na onyankopon ka kire no se tie nkrofon na mi na omu ye den omu pumi ba woodie omu ampo
for the benefit of our viewers no now the scripture now say they will take it and they will sit at their comfort home and study it. We say high programs when the area but in the second scripture now obetini abu
intina me can say 1 Samuel chapter 8 1 Samuel chapter 8 we shall say from verse 1 e ko ba odufo a o see na Samuel egada Israel fo nyina ewo Rama na ogada o nyina no na Israel fo e ka kire ni se wo ma ewuyi na wo wanyini sisia no ye ni obi a obede obehwe yeso ana obi a obebu oman no ana obi a se ya ikoye boni a obi a obebu ya ten no obi e ni ho na Satan no ye bu oman na ten ye wo Judges omu ya atembufu amo ana omu bu aten so okoye boni bia na eni manso ka ho ba Satan no Judges ni na abetwem omu nyina ewuye na Samuel ni man eye Judges na omu so etwa atwo ana omu so no omu mfa onyankopon akwan so omu ye boni etia onyankopon emra omu bu nyina so no emfa kwan mu ana Samuel so a odi nkurema nyankopon so sia wanyini onto mi nyahwe e wo se obi ebedi na ade na obi ebedi oman ni ehwe oman no enti Israel bo hwe ya no msi dabi ye hia obi a obetumi aye den edi ye nem ye wo se onyankopon ye tumi mfa ye ne ho no ba ye hia obi a se ye tu ye ni a ye betumi adwane akotoa no se okun bi eba obetumi edi ye nem ama ya ko okun na it display Samuel andi atum enti wo konya me nim ama nyankopon ka kire ne se dabi ti o man mi na o ma pumi mi na o mo mpani bio ba wo no o ma mpo ba tie ni ameka kire se ohini na eba bedi o musuru ni ama e wo se wo ye de wo ye enti nyankopon di mana ebi ma Samuel se ohini a nipa na wo se o ma Israel fo na o se o mo pe ohini no ohini nipa na o ba bedi o musuru ni a e wo se wo ye na nkrofo a ebe sum no ni ade ni ama e wo se o mo ye ni na nyankopɔn de ne nyinaa ɛma Samuel.
Okay, nyankopɔn ɛde ne nyinaa ma Samuel. Obeso podium wɔ hɔ na ma ba sɔfo dɔnkɔ so na afei ɔno nso wia na ma sen aba wo so. Sɔfo, is it right or is it good or correct for a believer, a genuine Christian, to be installed as a chief or a king?
About me, that's a question we more deeper. And you have some very funny. But that's an amendment, they are helpful.
Very good.
That baby will be more piano. Men can show themselves, I didn't share with some kind of home. And to media, you no motion. Omo Kosua and share, no subscribe enough. Omo Cabusiano. None of my papa, a day, a fat, and be minded to so urban. In I use so many questions. Now, match your Busia Fulina, or was a 4 and cry 4. Obi biara ohweyebia mechiga wo papa question aye bisano question emu eduye pa na emu nsodo adenti na make asa to me as on software me advise o Christonia or ye good Christian good believer no person ko ya bi se won godin. It doesn't matter the fame, it doesn't matter the honor. Yeah, enti meche say man ka meche. Okay, me am you didini as software. It will be a young so for no be to me a catch them say, made empire better watching. Oh, good room as I say, come home. Oh, a Japadia come home, and you could now and your mom refuge. Yeah, you marry as a phone in Japadia no more. But Yanti as you say, believe or no, is so a more important than a Japadiana or Father. I didn't make us maybe advice of say, Koya King, now me from Pay and Tauchi. Because definitely, as a king, somehow you may go wrong. Either say, o kingship mono, or be a liar, or you become a humanizer. Make mention it to me now. Only, Esha see free, young Franco Bible, Esha see free, Samuel so said the answer for Eka. Samuel, ever fresh soul, Israel focus on Munya, or fresh soul. First day la so ekomu Samuel na Samuel ka kire ne say enye se Awurade Nyankopon afa esi Israel fo nyina so ye na Awurade di Israel japade nyina hye wonsa Samuel se me ne wan o ye fie kura no me na me ye abusua ne moketwa First Samuel 10 ye de mbogu ne so o se me na me ketwa wodwane akotete ye edru da ye be frɛ no First Samuel chapter 10 wo kan free one eba ebesi ase Ben 12 to 19 wada. So edwane kwotete niamachi osuro se oba bedi. Wow. Abrantia no mo fe no oba bedi no wedwane kwotete first time osuro. But Samuel krona na osuro a se oba bedi. Edru First Samuel chapter 18, 17, 18, 19 se wo kan won mokosi a obeye ahini wie na ahini ye ye den. Yegu obi foforo no say Samuel nyamiapo so nyamiapo aferi e David bedi and David ba ye obi antumi nkum Goliath. That is First Samuel 17 eba and David nyankopon ye na dum no bekum Goliath okum Goliath wie no obafie ni yeto nyomo se so le kuma pem David ekum opidua so na nkasa wo bedi na wo tete no aferi ahini ni so wo demu a ye kwato nyomo ma wo bi no ne bo ofisa de ti ya to ni mamo and your number he near the Kitano, Yagajidia movie. Eti near Nibraba position near Kitanity. Samuel Ananka, Sola Ananka, Obuneho, na Ahinian Powogani woman, a fairy or better than Udini, or David the Con, but they are David Beffer, they are not at all. Sana Ahinian Bebretier, say a young wooding in say king, now was a challenger, or Obia or opponent. When you are over 2 ideas, will be idea. Say, who's one your message day? Now you're by both for Saturday. It will be a general. Yeah, I've been for the bot. I know your first one. You are branch about who's being in any afraid David. In fact, on Mokradia, no brand was a single year. Now, go catch and tell me whom I call David. May the Bible conquer Astros. That is the book of Psalms. May whom I call David, may Sabamanati, may David Yemenua. Me don me penasempa David ibedi ade no obu Nyankopon to the sense say na osuro Awurade Nyankopon but ahini enti one day David de nam na bono sanso sa no muso obi yiri dware say wo wasanso ye kokko kan So who be ding in one radio obey Gamanfo. Ahini ma famous say na one radio obey Gamanfo. Who you about who you be obey to me Gamanfo. It to me advice would be said. Womi en tredwan wo na ya say no ni. Na me wie David asem. David wie ya wo fa Bathsheba wie ya. Obi wo say ko Uriah ka. Ahini enti. Anso abira na David di ade no. Woman no mo di na chi kwosera so nyina no obo mo ba. Onkumo bia. But obenya position ni wie ya no na otumi di ni position ya do penti no. Ahini enti no. Okum Uriah ofa na ye. Yanko 1 Kings chapter 3. 1 Kings chapter 3. Na me sama wa branche ba ko enwasa. Na me wia yebe mu se eyesi yebe din yene. Ana se yakura se yebe din. 1 Kings chapter 3. Verse number 1 downwards.
1 Kings 3:1. And Solomon made affinity with Pharaoh, king of Egypt, and took Pharaoh's daughter.
Okay. Papa, ben bacho, yen jumping free one more. Na yemra 3. First Samuel 3:3.
Okay.
First Kings
chapter 3, verse number 3.
Yeah.
And Solomon loved the Lord.
And Solomon loved the Lord.
Walking in the statutes of David his father.
Walking in the statutes of David his father.
Only he sacrificed and burned incense in high places.
The only thing he did was to burn incense in the high places.
And the king went to Gibeon to sacrifice there.
Solomon went to Gibeon to sacrifice there.
For there was a great high place.
Okay.
1,000 burnt offerings.
1,000 burnt offerings.
Did Solomon offer upon that altar.
Okay.
And in Gibeon,
the
Lord appeared to Solomon.
The Lord appeared to Solomon
in a dream by night.
In a dream by night.
And God said, ask what I shall give.
Ask what I shall give thee.
And Solomon said, Thou hast showed me thy servant David my father great mercy. According as he walked before thee in truth and in righteousness and in uprightness of heart with thee. And thou hast kept for him this great kindness, that thou hast given him a son to sit on his throne as it is this day. And now, O Lord my God, thou hast made thy servant king instead of David my father.
You have made me king instead of David my father.
And I am but a little child.
But I am but a little child.
I know not how to go or come in.
I don't know how to go or come in.
And thy servant is in the midst of thy people. Which thou hast chosen. A great people. That cannot be numbered.
They cannot be numbered.
Counted for multitude.
And cannot be counted.
Give thee thy servant an understanding heart.
Give me understanding heart.
To judge thy people.
That
I may discern.
And I may discern
between good
and bad.
Who is able to judge.
For who is able to judge?
So great a people.
Okay, Papa. Enti Solomon so many are there who be saying nyansa yedi. It is say Solomon dey na hini ndi odi nyansa nko na bebu. Ondi nsamfo. Obedi nyansa samo nko wa himfie. But Solomon kura na wo ko bi say nyame ko nyansa no ofeli in his kingship.
Ofeli obeso bo ho na mako esofo agbari so. But before me ba so na me kan tie for say Bible digest and when go so a wo hye no. Say dwumadi yeso de Bible no e twere kronkron no emu nsam ne yibia na ya posa na ya yam ni I don't know me who word am be kan ya yam ni fiko digest no ya resa e posa e yam na just say afi e be fi no na wo portion wo no na won saka enti anwumre ye dwendwe say eye so Kristo ni amapa be ma ho kwani twa mojaje go ne nan so no be di hene anase enye no na sofo agbari and sofo Godfred chire omadwene e wo ho abiebie ne mani so ade chire enti ma me nsanko sofo agbari so na ye nhwe
yo aja mi danse mi di kan e ka se oman bebre edi kan e wo ho a omo sumo busum ni sane yama ba omo wo adefo na je se sa time no omo no omo obi a wadi omo so omo obi a omo hu ne se oyo omo nyame enti famiko Samuel chapter 8 kono na Samuel chapter 8 kono verse 4 down. First Samuel chapter number 8.
First Samuel 8
verse 4 down.
Verse 4 down. Verse 4 no. I said, then all the elders of Israel gathered themselves together and came to Samuel unto Ramah and said unto him, behold, thou art old, and thy sons walk not in thy ways. Now make us a king to judge us like all the nations.
Like all the nations. Not just say, on my baby, on my own ahimfo dada. Omo di omo sumu nipa, omo di omo nipa se oyo nyankopon. Pharaoh is Egypt for who they say oyo nyankopon oyo bibia. But Israel for omo nyankopon ana omo nyame omo sumu no ohini a di omo sumu nyankopon. Enti utu aso aja to aso
verse 5
verse 5
verse 6
verse 6
verse 6 no. But the thing displeased Samuel.
It displeased Samuel
when they said, give us a king to judge us.
When they said, give us a king to judge us.
Samuel prayed unto the Lord.
And Samuel did what? He prayed unto the Lord.
And the Lord said unto Samuel.
And the Lord said unto Samuel,
hearken unto the voice of the people. In all that they say unto thee. For they have not rejected thee.
But they have not rejected you, Samuel, but they have rejected me, God.
That I should not reign over them.
That I should not reign over them.
According to all the works which they have done since the day that I brought them up out of Egypt, even unto this day, wherewith they have forsaken me and served other gods.
And so now serve other gods
unto thee.
First one, Famiko 2 Kings.
2 Kings.
Famiko 2 Kings 18.
2 Kings 18.
Verse 1.
Verse 1. Now it came to pass in the 3rd year of Hosea.
It came to pass in the 3rd year of Hosea,
son of Elah, king of Israel, that Hezekiah, the son of Ahaz, king of Judah, began to reign. 20 and 5 years old.
20 and 5 years old
was he when he began to reign, and he reigned 20 and 9 years in Jerusalem. His mother's name also was Abi, the daughter of Zachariah. And he did that which was right in the sight of the Lord, according to all that David his father did.
Ukai ni history ni na ukai kosia onu wan ofa obiyire. Onu wan kokumo obi. He did that which was right in the sight of the Lord. And the ukai Hosea ne neyi ni nyina onu wan kokumo obi onu so wan kofa obiyire. Na chese obi tumi di hini a onkonko yesa ni ma no. Na chese nyame nkrofo binum a omo ye na omo ankoye den ankodi boni said ye binum eye ekodi boni na uko 2 Kings 21 so verse 1 akoka asem wo ho ohini bisusu abemu ho
asem 2 Kings let me use man
2 Kings 21
2 Kings chapter 21.
21.
Verse 1. Verse 1. I say, Manasseh bedi hene.
Manasseh su bedi hene.
Manasseh bedi hene.
Obedi hene.
Na wadi infisha dumiro.
Okay.
Na odi hene infie adwonu enum.
Okay.
Na Jerusalem. Na ne na din de Hafsiba. Na faye Hafsiba. Na faye Awurade any so bone say amanaman Awurade which one every Israel for
amanaman na Nyankopon yi Israel for every Misraim asase so ekotutu omo nyina omo sumu nipa say omo Nyankopon omo sumu nipa a odi omo so hini no Nyankopon kotutu omo no Manasseh suru no omo so abaye bone a wasan akofa sa kwan na san krofo a omo sumu Awurade no efa.
Enti na betwasi ya ebetimi abase wo part na se obi ebetimi ye de na manayi
amanayi
obi so de obi a
Any.
Okay. We so put them more. I'm some soft now. Yeah, summarize it. Soft.
Obi baby say any of ntie nya for no. No omonton yensase, omonye Kristo for no omonton yensase. Na omo ndi esika. Na omo ndi ire no omonye ne yemoboni ngu yeso ana.
Ana te de ko ko bibi.
Sa na tie bia ne ade ti na ye ne ye Kristo for no. Yemfa ye ho ehim. Na yentwe ahenni no. Na yemfa nye die na pepe. Ano na me person ko 40 as say. Ahenni ani de Kristo for betumi obo. But majority of the kings now, if you are kingship anymore, many of them, woman here give form a Christo form of they will now want more woman to marry. I didn't know woman to marry. So all kind first Kings 11. Solomon, what you answer your did, what in India, what you did, and my young book one DJ, I catch Solomon. Solomon, what we say when you want to discover count. First Kings 11 what?
I had to get back the record. What happened was it?
First Kings 11.
No say. No, I had any Solomon do ma. Ananafo bebre.
Solomon do ma ananafo bebre.
Kafaro baba no.
E kafaro baba na wodi kan ware.
One Moabfo.
Moabfo e kan ho. Amonfo kan ho. Edomfo kan ho. Sidomfo kan ho. Hetifo kan ho.
We free amanaman a Awurade kan won mo asam. Kyerɛ Israel for say. Mo nkɔ won mu na won so emma mu. Ampa obakom mo akoma adi won enyame no achi.
Okay. But what can you say go?
Na verse 3 no. Okay, na me 22 no so na achi na achi no mu one na Solomon bata
one na Solomon e bata odomu
na owoyere no ahene ma ahanson
no wo eyere no ahene ma princess
ya ahene ma
yeah
owaware
wo
ahanson
700 princess 700
Bible Digest Solomon say ahene we ba ma sa ahanson 700 oware wo nyina oware wo ukwa buna kwa kasa oware wo say o asikira foforo ho wo de kwa abiapema bu na kwa kasa oberma na oware wo bia na chese ware na de nti oware ahene mama no mako ahanson ne mpinafo nso ahasa I say the side chicks I mako 300 you remember so one day we discuss this topic is it right for a good man or a Christian to sleep with 2 or 3 or more girls? We'll discuss it one day. Here is Bible Digest. I am with Pastor Emmanuel Agboli on my far right and on my immediate right Pastor Godfrey Dongo.
It's Papa. The other say me can say ahiniye and a free that na ayinfo edi won madie na no even though won tons ase won say niam ba ye ne ye Christopher a ye bo branch yo so bo Christopher ma bra bo e no kire se ye dia mo ko sha ahiniye mu na be ma ewiase nyina adane na nkofo nyina be ye Christopher enya ahiniye na ye dia won be ko so ye betumi a ade adane wiase nyina amani ba nyina be ye Christopher na ma bi mo atokora ahiniye no be ko so edi wo man ahimfo no be ko so edi wo man ahiniye na ye ye Christopher no so ko so ye Christopher bo ye mpai ye nyankopon betumi ahira ye kura ase ahimfo no omo tons ase na ye de beto na afa ye de abo nkofo enti enye necessary say odi nyene ansana because o Kristo ni ye wo ahimfo bebre wo Ghana se say ya wo mo ye agidifo wo mo ye Christopher dan so omo vicinity mo omo community mo no omo ntumi na ne nkofo wo nyina mo mo ye Christopher enti wo ahwe ya wo wanyini ne mpo a wo ko ye sabe ko je akoda ne nkofo wo ko je wo Kristo ni a wo ko je ahini ada ne nkofo no wo ahwe ya wo ni beba ho so na mo mada
why ahwe ya wo ni beba ho so na wada ne baba anza kasa na kakreke
enti me no me advice say ye ko je ade ni ansa
is not for them to what we
me mo di ahini e beto me anyame adwuma ntini
say otufu free to say na say Monfa Aquaisi Mamma.
Papa, Otumfo ayenye enyam.
What's go to me now about the
Dabi Onyankopon na meso no no go bebe.
So for your cousin by to be afraid 4th and 5th. Ubako.
The entire mean corner said, Omu sum Onyankopon, Tiasifo. Omu ya mama, my said the midi can kai. Omu ya Omaya, Omu sum Onyankopon, Omu wo ahimfo dada. Ewa Omu sum Nyankopon. Enti wo ko akosum akoye ohimi owosa man so a niama omu ye ohono no omu di beye de edi be install na omu di betu akonya so Onyankopon so wo kwan a ofa so edi ordeni ana edi ohimi edi si akonya so.
Okay. Enti so for the kura
ni say in those days no omu sumu nyame
and
and I will soon Onyankopon.
Onyankopon is the Almighty God.
The Almighty God.
And Yameno other gods.
Almost soon Onyankopon. In those days, and Onyankopon so Eddie almost fine. And in those days, Christ doesn't come. But we are in the era of Christianity. And to the era of Christianity, no, he nearly saw me a man. Onyankopon am I yet said. On one kasa owa punu a wo ka kire Samuel so owa punu ba owa mpu onu Samuel ana mo pe ahenye nti no sei na omo o kan to aso a o sei ni omo ma abaye enkoa ama ahenye no obetuto omo nsase and he said eja e kan se ohenye ni betuto nsase ni sa ni mo na e wo ho o so betuto nsase ni sa ni ma ebinom be kwa kodo fu no efu ama ohenye no edi duane abere fia ma no ebinum be so na pa kemni ade enti na te say omo ba be ye nkoa ba Onyankopon omo anye nkoa ma no but the era of Christianity die any point say ye ko di ohini because see area see ehini na omo di enye nyame akwa
So oba chante so bi twale jowa ye meka nyina ne say die oji nyansa mpo oji di ade efeli ati say sabio yenyene a eya santemene ba le do ba bi wo frɛ no so King Solomon na nkofo bo na paso ba about say King Solomon no eya abentina mekasa ahimie woniema ebom ene niema ebi achi Kristo ni enye ahimie a wo beje no ena de wo ye ya bebere ana enu achi no adwene ekura na ebeba otirim samede ekodin o sika wo ho asase wo ho eniema wo ho wonya adrefti ya wo so wo kire se wodi nyame achi obi bega se o se Nyankopon na bie sa kwan ekwan betumi abie die the Bible say ye wo kwan a etere ni be ni so na so na wie ye ayu wo ko enti ahimie de betumi ato ba wo ye Kristo ni na wo nkwa na wo cherish heaven more than earth. I will say wo hwe Awurade dan so wo hwe ahimie
I was say wo hwe Awurade dan say wo hwe ahimie ability ye do be sia na nyame ma wo kwanya this particular topic no we be say be discuss it ye be transfer ability ye be sia na because ya e be my network safo ayi fa na wa soro wo ka soro wo ni
jam to me kwa soro I did come
okay
court dynamics
okay so let me
praise center for all nations.
Okay papa na wo so
but me also no presenter for all nations
and what for who how to train them who
Nyankopon ado ye baba so na nza on sinti then ye shira
okay when the ability the Messiah now be sure say if you hopefully next week the message at us because we say man that very appointed Bible digest. So if it will take us a whole year to finish with one topic, I think it will be better for us for the benefit of our lovely viewers. So we'll end the program here. Thanks a lot for having time with us. The program is Bible Digest, and I'm your host, Patrick Kwame Dankwa, the software in short. The cameraman, Ayeko Fukuache, and I'm the producer, Emmanuel Wating. That's one of them. ya no besi ya ne aka kyerɛ sɛ nyame ɛnhyira sɛ ɔgye brɛ ɛne anadeɛ ɛhwɛ program yi ɛde ma yɛ na mmom yɛkɔ so a ɛsrɛ wo sɛ bɔmmɔden na hyɛ ɛfama yɛ wate wɔ so saa no bi ɛnsa nka bi ɛsiane sɛ ɛyɛ adesuadeɛ kɛseɛ paa wobɛfa nyansasɛm afiri wobɛte bible no ase ɛsiane sɛ nyame adom yɛn asɔfoɔ a na wo sra ɛwɔ mo so na ɔmo nim de ɛwɔ bible no mu nti bible digest deɛ fa yɛ program na ntwe wo ho mfiri mu da biaa yɛde bɛba w'akwa mu ama bɛso no nyame ɛnhyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ adom a yɛne ɔpɛrɛ sɛ yɛde hyɛ bi akra